Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you want to create animated videos, explainer videos or presentation that look fun and professional, Powtoon is a great tool for you. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Powtoon step by step. Even if you are never made an animations before, by the end you will know how to create, edit and export your first animated video all inside Powtoon. So let's get started. So first of all, you just need to sign up and choose the template. So first go to the powtoon.com and then create an account. Just click to the get started. Once you click over here, that they will give you the option to create an account. Just click any of them. Like you can create an account with the Google or Facebook. So I will choose the Google and I will just click this one and then just click to the continue. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and here you can see login is completed. So we will be redirected to the dashboard. So Powtoon make it really easy by offering hundreds of templates of for different purpose like explainer videos, promos or classroom presentation. For beginners, I recommend picking a ready-made template, however any template and click use. This will load it into the editor where you can customize everything. Now here actually we are going to understand the work space. So once your template opens, like let's go and let's try to open a template. Just click on okay, personal leads and social media and just click to the next and it already been done. So explore my own, I will explore my own and I will click in here. So here you can see we have a couple of things. So here if you click on choose a template, from that place you can choose any of template you want. So I want to choose a template that looks amazing, so I will go with this one. Just click this one, edit in studio. So it will open into the studio, loading awesomeness. So we just need to be patient here. So once your template opens, let's break down the Powtoon editor. So on the left you will able to see slide or scenes. Think of each scene like a slide in PowerPoint but with animations. So here we just need to keep wait. So let's be wait. When it will complete, I will come back here again. So on the left you can see that it is called slide or scene. Think of each scene like a slide in PowerPoint but with animations. In the center, in the main canvas, like in the center is your main canvas where you edit text, characters and elements. So let's click to the got it here and here you can see this one. So at the bottom in the timeline, it's called timeline. This shows when each element appears and disappears. And on the right you will see options to add text, characters, props, background and music. Now we're going to edit text and visuals. So now let's customize our Powtoon. So click any text, like here you just need to click any text to change the text. Just type your message, adjust the font size and color in the top menu. You just need to click on characters on props to replace them. You can also add new characters by clicking characters in the right sidebar. Just click the character, you can see we can easily click the character. So here we have a couple of other things. Here you can see the script one, then here you can see the character in the right side. You can create your own character, you can create the maker also. So now you can also new character by clicking character in the right side, but I already mentioned choose from different styles, cartoon, modern or real life character. You just need to drag them onto your slide like this way. You just need to drag them in here and it will be pasted in that place. So this is so much easy. So I'm going to place it in here. Just go and let's paste this one in that place and you can see it already been pasted in here. So it is so much easy. Once you understand the whole things, you can easily create your animation video by using Powtoon. Now you can see that one that our animation, like our character already been pasted in here. Now you just need to use the timeline. The timeline is a key for smooth animations. You just need to click to the play in here button to preview how elements appear and disappear. Let's play one. Here you can see how it is working. So in this way you can do the things. To adjust timing, drag the blue bars on the timeline. This controls when text or image fade in or out. Want to make an element stay longer? just stretch its bird. If you want to add entrance or exit animation, you just need to click the elements, then select animation in the top menu and pick how it should appear. So here you have all these things. From that place you just need to do these things to fix whatever you want to fix. Just select that one and then you can fix the animation. Here you can see the thinking, then here you can see this one, then here you will see to question mark. Then this way all works. So here you can see you can add exit effect also, you can add things here easily. Now if you want to add music or voiceover to make your Powtoon more engaging, you can add background music. You just need to click to the sound. Here you will get to see the audio option. You just need to click over here. Now you can add your voiceover or you can add a music in here. So you just need to drag it to your timeline and adjust where it starts. You can also add a voiceover, record directly inside Powtoon, or upload an audio file, sync your voiceover where you visual by watching the timeline carefully. Let's try to use the voiceover. Just click on add voiceover and it will give you the voiceover option. So I will click on text to speech, just click this one, and here if I start new voiceover, hi everyone, welcome back. So here you just need to do the things to generate voiceover now. Okay, so from that place you can generate the voiceover. You can choose from also here. So this feature is really amazing. You can use it for yourself. So just click on voiceover and you can record from that place. Just place this one. Okay, that's not a problem. I will go over here and start record. Allow while visiting the site. Okay, hey, it will take a couple of minutes. One start. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are going to create an voiceover video in this video. So let's stop record. And here you can see, let's play it. Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You can see the voice is working. So in this way you can take your voiceover on the field. Now let's talk about add a new slides or scene. So you just need to go over here to the bottom, and here you can see you can add slide for uses. Like if you want to make your video longer, you just need to click add slide, and then you will get a new slide on the left side. So how you can do it, here you can see this is the plus button. You can add a blank slide in here. Just click on this and here you can actually see that your slide already been added. So you can add a blank slide or duplicate an existing one for faster editing. Each slide can have its own background, character, text and animation. So get creative and just keep your message clear and don't overcrowd your scenes. Now let's talk about the preview and fun tune. When you are done editing, you just need to click to the preview to watch your entire Powtoon from start to finish. Check that text is easy to read, timing looks smooth, and the music or voiceover match up. Make small tweaks. Sometimes tiny adjustments make a big difference in how polished your video feels. So once you're done, like you are happy with your animation, it's time to share it with the world. Just click to the export. Here you just need to click over here and download for MP4, or you can download or share the link. It's totally up to you what kind of a thing you want. And that's it for today. Now you know the complete beginner guide to using Powtoon in 2025. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.